Hi everyone, this is Caitlin Wilter. Sorry I'm a little last to the game. Been sick all week and hoping that my voice would come back a little better, but this is what we got to work with. So, this is my icebreaker introduction. I'm Caitlin Walter. As you can see, I'm in the center picture. That's me on the right. The other two pictures are from my senior pictures from high school. The one in the center is me and my cousin on Christmas. So here's just a couple pictures of me. Then here's a picture of me and my family on the left. I just have one older sister. She also went to Miami. She's 3 years older than me, graduated from Oxford with a degree in Stratcom, and currently works for a startup called the People Foundry. And then there are my parents on the left and right of us, and my sister is actually engaged to get married this June in Cincinnati. So on the right is my future brother-in-law Ryan and my sister Sam. So I've grown up in Cincinnati, Ohio all my life. I went to an all-girls Catholic high school called Seton High School. At Seton, I was super involved in just about every club you could imagine. And I played lacrosse all 4 years, and I also swam on the varsity swim team all 4 years. Since I was a little girl, I loved swimming. In the lower left picture is a place where I work during the summer. I am a lifeguard and an assistant manager at a private swim club. It's called Three Rivers Swim Club. I've worked there since I was like 14. Started working in the snack bar. Then when I was 16 and old enough to drive, I started working as a lifeguard because I could get to work easier and work more hours. So, love my summer home, Three Rivers. I have a great staff that I work with, and it's a lot of fun. It's a great job. Then on the right is a picture of gelato. During the school year, when the pool isn't open, I am a barista at a little coffee shop called Aroma's Java and Gelato, sorry. It's on the west side of Cincinnati in Bridgetown, and we're a family-owned coffee shop. It's a lot of fun. Love being a barista. So, love Cincinnati. Grown up here all my life, like I said. Wouldn't change it for the world. I just love all the things that you can do in the city. I'm a huge Cincinnati Reds fan. I've been out to Arizona for spring training for the Reds. It's a lot of fun. Although the ball team isn't that great, we're up and coming. We got a lot of young talent. So, as far as my education, I am a senior civic and regional development major with also a minor in commerce. I've actually fulfilled majority of my major requirements, so I'm in this class kind of as an elective, and for my educational requirements for my Miami plan, I am graduating this May, so I'm really excited about that. As you can see, the graduation cap on the right. And then for my actual degree program, I had to do 2 practicum experiences, so internship experiences. And the first one was at Hope's Closet. Hope's Closet inspires foster parents, and they provide foster kids with different clothes and things that they'll need in their new placement homes. So the kids can come, and it's kind of set up like a little clothing boutique where they can come and pick a week's worth of outfits. They get brand new socks, brand new underwear, and it just restores a lot of confidence in these children who, got pulled from their homes or had to move in with a relative. So that was a great experience. As I said, my degree is going to be in civic and regional development, and everybody asks, is that urban planning? But no, it's actually nonprofit and community studies. So that's how I got to Hope's Closet, which is a nonprofit who helps foster kids. And then my second practicum was this past fall at the American Red Cross at the Cincinnati office on Dana Avenue. That was a lot of fun. I worked at the Red Cross during one of our most chaotic hurricane seasons we've had so far, and I just learned a ton in volunteer services. I loved the lady that I worked under, Tammy Simendinger. Um, yeah, I got a lot of great practical experience, especially in such a large nonprofit organization. So, a little bit more about me, my favorites. If I had time, I love to watch all these shows. Favorite shows include New Girl, Quantico, Grey's Anatomy, Law and Order, SVU when nothing else is on, Scandal, Fixer Upper, of course, like any girl. Some of my favorite movies, I'm a sucker for a good rom-com, so 27 Justice, The Parent Trap, Wedding Crashers, a classic. I love to shop, anything kind of girly. I love the outdoors, I love hiking, I love cycling, I love swimming, just pretty much anything when I have time, because I'm a full-time student and then I work a lot as well. This semester I am finishing out in 18 credit hours, so hope to have a great semester and can't wait to meet you all for this online class. Have a great week.